The Genie can be set up for either panning or linear motion. Once the panning accessory has been screwed onto your tripod, the Genie is simply attached and set up to record a panning time lapse.
To switch to linear mode, the Genie is simply removed from the tripod and attached to the linear accessory. Now the Genie is able to capture time lapses in an endless range of possible linear movement. On a slider, rope is attached to the end of the track using the supplied accessory, and the Genie drives itself along the rope. Unlike other motion control equipment, the Genie is extremely portable and is designed to be a part of your regular camera kit. This means you never have to go without the option of motion control, no matter how constrained your location may be. The Genie can be set up in two different modes, either for time-lapse or real-time video. In video mode, with the panning accessory attached, the Genie can perform perfectly smooth pans or tilts. When attached to a slider, the Genie will enable you to capture precise tracking shots that are otherwise impossible to get by hand. In time-lapse mode, the Genie moves differently and performs a move, shoot, move function. This allows the Genie to come to a complete stop before telling your camera to fire the shutter.
The Genie seamlessly integrates with all your professional equipment, adapting to suit your ever-expanding camera kit, making it useful for a lifetime.
The Genie is not only limited to professional equipment, you can also use it on all of your DIY projects. The movement of your time-lapse is only limited by the length of your rope, meaning that the Genie will travel much further than other time-lapse equipment. We've even tested it on a homemade cable cam, driving at 60 feet over a lake. We've only just scratched the surface as to what can be done with the Genie, and we know with your imagination it can be pushed much further. Just imagine all those shots you can now get that weren't ever before possible.
We've spent a lot of time developing the software side of the Genie. We wanted to make it as easy to use as possible, and this is one of the key features. If you haven't taken a time-lapse before and you're confused about the various settings, then you can simply start a factory preset from our preset menu. Right out of the box, the Genie comes with some amazing presets. With the push of just a few buttons, you can start some simple time-lapses like stars, people, or clouds.
For the more experienced time-lapse users, parameters can be set manually. If your time-lapse works out, then save your settings as a preset. Now you can easily revert back to it on your next shoot. You can save as many as you like into the recording menu. This leaves you more time to concentrate in your shot rather than the settings.